Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will share with you a quick tip of Google Forms using which you can easily access, organize and manage Google Forms. As currently we are teaching several courses and creating several quizzes, tests with the help of Google Forms. If we want to use a Google Form, we just open a drive. How do we use Google Forms? So when we want to create a new Google Form, we right click and open a new form, or from Drive we get a new Google Form, that is a blank Google Form. And the case where we have already created forms, from Drive we can access the created Google Form design. For example, I want to access one of my forms. So what we do is generally we access it from the drive. In the drive you can see your Google Forms, your files and all the folders. You see different types of files, for example PDF, Excel files. You find document. All the different types of files are there in the drive. A quick shortcut to access Google Forms is now available by Google. For that, towards the right top, click on the Google Apps option. From here we open our Drive, Classroom, and yes, from here also we can open Forms. This is the option. So click on the Forms. On the top, first is blank form available and different template of Google Forms is available. Click on template gallery. It is classified into different categories like personal, work, education and other. Different templates are available. Scroll down below. Here all forms are visible. Towards the top, you can organize the forms. You can view different views, list view, grid view. You can sort Google Forms. File picker option is available. So scroll down and all the forms created and designed by you are visible here. You can delete, rename and open a particular form. For example, this is the form I want to delete. To delete, rename or open a form, select the form. For example, this is the form I want to delete. Click on the three dots and click on remove to delete a form. Click move to trash. This will be deleted. To rename a form, again click on the three dots, click rename and you can rename a form. Enter a name and click OK to save. Google Form will be renamed. You can also open a form into a new tab. Click open in new tab. With the help of this option, form will be open in new tab. Simple way is just click on the form and the form gets open. Isn't this method to open Google Form easy? Yes, it gives you quick access. Yes, it gives you quick access to open as well as to organize and manage Google Forms. Hit the like button, share with your friends so that they can also take advantage of this. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.